Welcome to this ZENworks Service Desk video demonstration. In this video, we will demonstrate how to request new hardware using ZENworks Service Desk. For this scenario, the hardware request is for a new laptop. To get started, Bob, a ZENworks Service Desk supervisor, has received a shipment of Dell ThinkPad laptops to his inventory. Bob temporarily assigns these new laptops to the stockroom customer. Bob can directly reassign the laptops to users whenever a new laptop is requested. Bob, who is also a service technician, creates a store item for requesting a new laptop from the inventory. Allison is an end user who submits a request for a new laptop from the available store items. The request item will be assigned to Allison after her line manager approves the request. Heather, Allison's line manager, receives Allison's request for the new laptop and approves the request. After approval, Bob reassigns the item ownership from the request summary page to Allison. Adds a note, and then resolves the request. After Bob assigns the laptop, Allison gets an email notification. For more information about using ZENworks Service Desk, see the ZENworks Service Desk documentation page. Thanks for watching.